breaking news on this episode of Biz Jet TV. Pilatus have finally decided to build their aircraft in the United States. Yes, the groundbreaking has happened at their new factory in Sarasota, Florida. Pilatus, for many years, there have been talks about Pilatus building in the US. They said, no, this is Swiss made, it's Swiss built. Meantime, Honda, when they decided to launch the Honda Jet, they built their factory in the United States. Embraer, who build their airplanes primarily in Brazil, because that's where Embraer's from, decided to open a factory in Melbourne, Florida, and they build their Phenom 100 and 300s. Why? Because 60% of the private jet market is in the United States. Half of the Pilatuses, or more than half of the Pilatuses, are actually sold in the United States. And also because Donald Trump, the President of the United States, put this big 39% tariff on Switzerland as of August 2025. Everybody was up in arms when this tariff thing came out. I remember talking to a high-profile multimillionaire just as the tariffs came out. He was telling me he was briefed by these big banks about how this is going to be terrible for business. He put a number of projects on hold for a few months. And, and I listened to what this guy had to say. And I turned around and said, look, now, maybe Donald Trump's not the most perfect man in the world. He's certainly not a saint. However, if you read the book, The Art of the Deal, this book here, the first book that Trump wrote many years ago, 35 plus years ago, his business strategy is laid out in this book, and that's his playbook. This is Trump's playbook, and this is exactly what he wanted to achieve with the tariffs. So now what's happened? Pilatus figured, well, we can't really ship the airplanes to the United States. It's going to be this 39% tariff. The planes are going to be too expensive. There's not going to be a market for them. So they turned around and they decided to build the Pilatus PC-12 in the United States. Now, why is this a win for everybody here? Now, politics aside, and this is not a political channel, and I'm not pro-Trump or anything. I'm not talking about being pro-Trump or anything like that. I'm a British citizen. I'm half Italian, half English. But I can tell you this. Those of you that like the Pilatus as an airplane, it's a great airplane for the United States. What happens by Pilatus building in the United States? First of all, those environmentalists out there, it reduces the carbon footprint. Because they're building them in the United States and delivering in the United States. They're not building them in Switzerland and then shipping them all the way to the United States. So that's the first thing. The second thing is going to bring a lot of jobs to Florida. So more jobs in the United States. They're going to be hiring people to build these airplanes. They're going to probably be able to build more airplanes, PC-12s, PC-24s. They're also going to have a big facility for spare parts, which is going to be great to service the current PC-12 and PC-24 market in the United States. So this is a really, really big win for aviation in general and for the job market in the United States, but also for Pilatus, because I reckon now Pilatus will be able to sell a lot more aircraft now that they're going to be building in the United States. So this is overall a win-win for everybody here, for the environmentalists, for people that like the PC-12, for the American people that want to buy these aircraft, for the Swiss company that make them. It's a win-win across the board for everybody here. So we need to celebrate. Pilatus is a great airplane. They're really, really good. They land on grass. You've got this lovely cargo door, both on the PC-12 and the PC-24. And lots of people fly these airplanes. Because in America there are many, many grass strips. I mean, there's about 10,000 landing strips in the United States. And you can get the PC-12 into most of these places, and in some places the PC-24, the jet. And so this is just going to open up the market big time. Also because Pilatus are facing a bit of challenge now from Cessna with the Denali and also other similar airplanes out there. Pilatus have also done another thing with the Pilatus PC-12 Pro. They've put Garmin avionics in it, and they put the auto-land system on the airplane as well, just to be in line with the competition. So Pilatus are demonstrating that they're listening to the market, they're looking at technology, they're looking to see where things are going, and they want to stay ahead of the game. And right now, the PC-12 with its cargo door, with the auto-land system, whatever, it is, and being built in America, it's coming again to the top of the list there. It's becoming number one again. And the other interesting thing about the PC-12, it's the airplane that maintains its value best. I know a number of PC-12 owners that bought their airplane, flew it for 3 or 4 years, and then sold it and actually made a profit. So that's another aspect here of the PC-12. It does maintain its value very well. They do build good quality, and I'm sure the Swiss engineers will come over to America and they will make sure that these airplanes are built to that high standard that they have in Switzerland, even in the US. They probably will bring some of their engineers over from Switzerland to supervise and train some young Americans and other people to build these airplanes. So overall, it's a great thing. So post below, what do you think? Let's get the comments going here on the PC-12. And also, I want to mention again, my pilot training company, Aerovat. you know, this is something, if you are looking to buy a PC-12, for example, and you don't have a pilot's license yet, why don't you train in a certain way? We developed this great system here to keep you safe, to train you and supervise you at all times with your training and with your flying at Aerovat. So, you know, click on the link below to go to flyaerovat.com and you can fill in the form and book an appointment and have a chat with us, and we'll see what we can do for your pilot training. As I always say, private jets are a great thing, but the pilot is more important than the plane. So when you're hiring pilots, that's something you've got to look at. If you're going to be the pilot yourself, then you need to really, you know, get some really, really good training. We'll be coming up with publishing shortly a video with a gentleman in Los Angeles that's gone out and done some incredible things with his pilot training. He's an entrepreneur and he's done something very, very unique. He's one of my business partners over at Aerovat, and you'll be hearing from Edwin in the next few videos about what he has done for his training. And that's all from Fabrizio Poli here on Biz Jet TV. Check out this playlist about other airplanes that we've covered here on Biz Jet TV. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.